How to log in into your Air Canada employee account. Hello Air Canada employees. Ready to access your employee account online? Then you are in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to log in into your Air Canada employee account. For this, let's get started. Simply search for log into your Air Canada account using your preferred browser. Select the link that directs you to the Air Canada employee login page. Once on the login page, you can locate the fields to enter your employee number, PIN and NIP. Enter your employee number NIPs into the designated fields and then double check on your entries to ensure that they are correct to avoid any login errors. After you enter all your credentials, then you can click on enter or login in order to proceed. If the credentials you provided are accurate, you'll be successfully logged into your Air Canada employee account. Upon logging in, you'll gain access to the employee account where you can view your personal information, access company resources, check benefits, and many more. And this was everything you needed to know about logging in to your Air Canada employee account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.